Ever thought about harnessing the power of water to generate free energy? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a DIY hydroelectric turbine system. Let's dive right in. First, let's cover the basic concept. Hydroelectric systems use the natural flow of water to generate electricity. With just a water wheel or turbine, a generator, and a consistent water source, you can create your own renewable energy source. It's that simple. Now, let's talk components. You'll need a water wheel or turbine to capture the energy from the flowing water, then a generator to convert that mechanical energy into electricity. And don't forget the wiring to connect everything. The key to generating more energy is having a higher water flow and head, the height difference between the water source and the turbine. All right, let's put it all together. First, assemble the turbine and generator securely. Place the turbine in the water flow, making sure it's stable. Connect it to the generator and let the water do the work. Just like that, your system is now ready to produce electricity. This simple setup can power small devices or charge batteries, providing a sustainable source of free energy. Imagine the possibilities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more DIY energy solutions and sustainable living tips. Catch you next time. Remember, always wear protective gear and follow local regulations when working with electrical components and water.